Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so quickie vlog for today. Yes, quickie lang to. And it's because I had ordered something. And let me show you in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Liabi. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Liabi.
Alright guys, so eto, in-order ko to para sa amin family. And I wanna do for the first time this ipon challenge. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Grabe yung bubble wrap nila, hindi masyadong matibay. Alright, so here it is guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kasi 5 nga kami. So, let me show you. Ganito siya. And it comes also with a marker. Erasable marker yata. So, parang may eraser. So, ayan. And ganito. Ayan. Wood siya, guys. Wood siya. And may installation manual siya. So, let me see. 1, 2, 4, and then this 2. Okay, so all we need to do is take this, ayan, and then yung 3, 4, 2, which is this one, okay. All we need to do is just pasok lang natin. So, ito siya guys. Same thing in the other side. Ayan. So, ganito siya. And then, ito, dito sa gilid na to. So, so ganito siya guys. So, diba? Then, the other side. Ayan. So, we have our box here. And then, this one, kung saan yung may mga numbers. So, may mga 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, and is there 500? 500. Dalawa lang yung 500 niya. And then, 1, 2, 3. Tatlo. Para mabuo ang 10,000 pesos. So, diba? So, yan. Ito. Now, let's close it na. Ayan na siya. O, diba? So, dito may butas para sa paper bills. And here, para sa coins. Although, medyo malaki nga yung butas ng coins. But, ayan. Hopefully, hindi mag-cheat ang mga bata dito. And then, this marker, ayan. So, kunwari, may 5 pesos tayong nalagay. I-cross out natin yung 5 dito. May 5 dito. And then, I think, if ever na tapos na, naka 10,000 na tayo. And maybe it's reusable since pwede natin baklasin. Let's see if na-erase. And yeah, na-erase naman yung cross out natin na 5. Although it's not totally erased. So ganito siya guys. Yan lang. O, diba? So, I ordered 5. Mamaya ko i-assemble yung 4. Kasi lunchtime na kakain na rin kami. Just wanted to show you. And yeah, that's it. And if you're interested to buy one of those, meron din mga smaller amount. Like 5,000 yata. But I took the 10,000 pesos. So, diba? Para makaipon tayo ng 10,000. Diba? So, yun lang guys. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.